Excellent, it's there. I received it finally. My floodlights kit, RGB floodlights. They're supposed to be 2 lights and then you can control with your phone. So let's see how it goes. First of all, let's see what we have in this box, what they give me with this kit, and then we'll see later how those lights works. All right, let's go. Opening the box. So we have, here we go. So 4 of those hardware bolts here, hardware mounting maybe. And now we have lights number 1. Here it is. It looks actually very nice. Should be IP66, that means they are waterproof. Not like, don't put them inside the water, don't die with them, but like rainproof, you know, things like that. Splash proof. I like that, they are very nicely done. Feels sturdy, feels good material, not cheapo, so I like that. Lights here, and here is, I guess, to mount them. You have the mounting bracket on the back to use with those accessories, those mounting screw here, bolts. You have to read the manual, see what they are for. But here you go, you can see the tiny LED here. All the color LED right there. Okay, and of course US plug. All right, same light number 1. Everything's nice. The sticker is a little bit all over the place. Still nice. Here we go. To have these 2 nice light kits. So I like that. And now in the box, of course, the user manual to read how to use those lights. Test. 1, 2. Test. 1, 2. Test, test. Sound test. Test, test. 1, 2. Excellent.